challenge. So I
Unang thawaan ka
congratulate my
NPP ban
elder brother
Menteri
Mr. Salim
Sorkar
for
Rakkam is sangma
getting the
hakalai
ticket to
tare
contest
kalalingkon
in Lok Sabha
ulakam ba ka Congress kam dan
election. I wish him
leer
all the
ne
best.
kalatrot bha Rilum
Whether
Garo
winning or
Hills.
losing is
Habakran bat kinong thok
is a
kubor
very different
urakam
thing.
ula ay kublay ya
Like
usaling is sangma
so
ubalayo
maybe
ya ka tiket
it
na ka party
it
Congress
might be
ban
dreams.
ay reng ha ka election Lok Sabha banwan natura
We should
parliamentary seat.
underestimate anybody.
Ha
Election is
ka juk
election.
kapor
But
ulakit
I
bok
wish him all the
ketruang
best.
ya
But
usaling la ujop urem ru kadai ka
as
pat
of
ka
now,
benta
want to
bat kala
inform
bandai ka
everybody that
jingang nut jong u
the
hendrai ka
picture of
NPP
Congress, the
kanam
web
khin
is
sting
not
ya no ka election
in
kadai
a
ka election
very
laong
it is
urakam
very insignificant
urakam ula ong
presence.
ru ba kumba long menta
I think
ba kalawai
I
ka
don't know
Congress
how
bat kala
far
air jong ka
Basaling
Congress
can create a
kaladuna
web.
bha ha ka kinti.
So I congratulate my elder brother Mr. Saling for getting the ticket to contest the Lok Sabha election. I wish him all the best. So whether winning or losing is a very different things. Like so maybe it might be dreams for him. So I think so. Like we should not underestimate anybody. Election is election. But I wish him all the best. But as of now, the want to inform everybody that the picture of Congress, the waves is not in a it is very insignificant presence. I think I don't know how far Basaling can create a wave. In a very short time. Last 1 month back, he was with me. Just we were talking about this only. I he said I will not contest, but I don't know. But he's very lucky. He got ticket to contest. Wish him all the best. Congress in Garhills, now they have the representative, right? Representative, they have 19 short of 20, right? The MLAs in Garhills, Congress have 19 short of 20. It will be a huge task for them